Jai Hind, dear students. Today we move on another area, that is environmental scanning. In exam point of view, environmental scanning is a very important area. Before studying environmental scanning, what is business environment? What do you mean by business environment? Business environment is a set of all those forces and conditions which are external to the business but affect on working of enterprise. What do you mean by environment? Environment means surroundings of living things. So, business environment is a set of all those forces and conditions which are external to the business but affect the working of the business. These factors may be social, economic, political, legal, and other factors. So, we can say that the environmental scanning is a careful monitoring of an organizational internal and external environments for detecting early signs of opportunities and threats that may influence in the current and future plans. So, organizations have to be consistently aware about the changes taking place in the environment. So, the organization must scan the environment for identification of their opportunities and threats. Then only they make the plans according to the needs and needs of the organizations. In a rapidly changing environment, one rule of thumb applies: if you don't adapt, you do not enjoy. This is the core idea behind the environmental scanning. If you adapt, if you don't adapt, you don't enjoy. This is the core idea behind the environmental scanning. The right information is combined with the right adaptations can determine an organization's future viability. Otherwise, the organization may go to failure. Next one, importance of environmental scanning. Sensitivity of environmental factors is crucial for an entrepreneur. If a company is able to adapt its environment, it would succeed in the long run. For example, Sony failing to understand the changing trends in the mobile phones and therefore losing its market share. So, in organization point of view, the scanning the environment is very important. Better performance. Proper take timely action to deal with the threats and avail opportunities for the purpose of improvement in the performance of the firm. Fifth importance is that sensitization of entrepreneurs to cope with the rapid changes. Sensitize the entrepreneur to changing the technology, competition, government policies, and the changing needs of the customers. So, the entrepreneur is to evaluate the changing technology, its competition, changing the government policy, then only he can survive the business organization. Next one, image building. It will be come out with new products and services to meet the requirements of the customers. This will build the image and reputation of the firm in the eyes of general public. What do you mean by image building? It is otherwise known as goodwill making. So these are the 6 importance of business environment. Thank you.